John, you need to go outside and enjoy the weather. It's such a nice day out and you've been on your phone all day. John! John! Take your friend outside and enjoy the weather.
Okay, Mom! Dude, that was my brother's frisbee. We have to go get that. Whatever. Find it yet? Chris? Chris? Find it. John! John! Oh my God! We shouldn't have gone in the woods. I hate this. What the heck?
Hey, have you seen my hat?
Is this it?
Thanks.
Who are you?
I'm Nature. Nicolas Nature.
Can you help me out? Me and my friend were on this trail looking for my frisbee and like...
Shh. You hear that?
No.
Black-capped chickadee. Sounds like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's
Anyways, what were you saying?
So can you help me out?
Yeah, I'll see what I can do. Let's go.
Okay. So anyways, I lost my frisbee and like...
Wait! Poison ivy. See how it has 3 leaves?
But I heard it was oily.
It doesn't always have to be oily. It's kind of old. It's old like you. So it doesn't have to be oily. It can still really mess you up. Remember, leaves of 3, let it be.
So, poison ivy, anywhere you go in North America, you're gonna find it. And if you touch it on any part of your skin, it'll leave you itching like crazy. You can find it in ancient Whoa!
Isn't that poison ivy?
Yes! Oh my God! You're right. Leaves of 3,
Let it be.
you're learning.
I'm learning. I'm learning science. You know, I think I'm kind of...
Shh. My nature senses, they're tingling.
What?
Come here. Should be somewhere around here. Under bark? Yes, there it is. An American toad.
How do you know it's an American toad?
See those 2 warts?
Yeah.
Those are warts. That one's probably just out of hibernation. Its parents lay eggs in the water, and these eggs come in long strings like yarn. And then once they develop, they get on land, and through the winter they actually dig holes and hibernate. They hibernate like you, except they're not on the couch. They're in the ground.
So does that frog make a sound?
Okay, first of all, it's a toad. And yes, look out, tree! And yes, it does make a noise. It's like a low, musical trill.
So what does it sound like?
Hey, John, let's go over to that beach over there.
What for?
I'll show you when we get there.
Okay.
Let's jump!
Oh!
Nice.
What's that?
Goose poop. Let's go check it out. Right here. Don't step on it. That's good. That poop's from a Canadian goose. They're from Canada. It's all green from eating grass.
So how did all this stuff get here?
Well, have you ever seen a washing machine full of sand explode?
Yeah.
Well, when it explodes, where does all the sand go?
Like, pretty much everywhere.
Right. Well, I don't really know where I was going with that, but evolution is a process where stuff like everything that lives, including trees, toads, poison ivy, black-capped chickadees, they pick up traits from their surroundings, no matter where they are, and after generations and generations and generations, they evolve. So tell me about your experience in the woods, John.
Well, long story short, I was lost in the woods for 3 years, looking for a frisbee. It was my brother's frisbee. I love that frisbee. But me and my friend Chris, we went out to go find it, and we split up somehow, and I met this guy named Nicolas Nature. Wonderful guy. He traded his life for mine.
Tell me about your experience with Nicolas Nature.
Nicolas Nature. Well, Nicolas Nature was a man I met out in the woods when I got lost. Me and my friend were looking for our frisbee, and I stumbled upon him once we split up. Nicolas Nature taught me so much about nature and how it affects us and why it's there and how to get there and what is there. We were out looking at poison ivy, and out of nowhere comes a killer whale that just jumped right out of the river and took Nicolas Nature. That day, I cried. Nicolas Nature is the reason that I became a naturalist. He taught me so much, and that I can finally pass it on to my fellow colleagues. Oh, and Chris died too.
Jonathan, guys!
Fucking A.
There we go. All right.
John!
God damn it!
I've been on your phone all day!
Well, have you ever seen a washing machine? What are you doing on my trail?
Wait, I forgot what I was saying. Really, Chris?
Well, it's so hard to do. Ready? All right, ready? Well, have you ever seen... Hold on, no, stop. Hey, John. Goose poop!